Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do quick little tree ring pours on these coasters. I'm making some tile coasters and I have a huge amount of leftover paint because I was doing Artapalooza with some crazy people and I have lots of paint left over. So I want to use it up. You guys should check out Artapalooza. It happens every Wednesday night on the Artist Haven channel. So it is a lot of fun. If you are an artist, you can be part of it. Just sign up. She has a link for it. Tish is amazing. And it's a lot of fun. So how about this? I'm doing all four at once. Alright, so y'all be sure and check out Tish at the Artist Haven. It's so amazing. I will put the link below. You can see the craziness we did today, as well as join us if you would like, because there's always room for more. I thought I was doing so good. Yeah, not so much. Dang it. Well, carry on. Okay. Let's just do this one. Whee. Alright, almost done. One more corner. Wow, that's some fun coasters. Tilt this one just a little bit this way. And actually I love them all, but this one not so crazy about, and I have extra paint, so let's just okay. We are just incorporating this into what was already there, so it doesn't look like it's just living on top of it. Okay. All right, there we go. Make sure they're kind of level. There we go. All right, guys, let me bring you in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, let's go in for some close-ups. Here's the one that was on the left side. That ring light is driving me crazy. There's the one that's on the front right. I love this one. The colors are really pretty. Oh, there's the one that was the upper right. Here's the one with the upper left. Everyone is so different, and yet together they make sense. All right, I will bring you the dried results right after this. All right, here are the dried results. It is a rainy, crazy day up in here, so the light's not as great as it usually is, but I think these turned out pretty good considering I was trying to do 4 tree rings all at once. How crazy is that? You're supposed to just pour one, tilt it, and then pour the next one, and then tilt that. But you know, wasn't making as much sense as usual that night. There they are. It's a fun coaster set in all those blues and silver. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, and don't forget to join to enter the giveaway. So I will link that video below this one in case you haven't seen the video for the giveaway, because I have a big giveaway going on right now. So the link is below. As always, guys, be inspired.